At GoCleanCo, we always vacuum hard floors first before we mop. We mop with powdered Tide and hot water. The hotter the water, the better. We use a spin mop. Pump the foot pedal 7 to 10 times until the mop is almost dry. Make sure it's not dripping. Do not use floor cleaners that promise shine on dark hardwood floors. It eventually leaves a buildup over time and it creates a cloudy film. If you have buildup on your floors, you're going to have to get down on your hands and knees and scrub it off. Mop in 4x4 foot sections. Be sure to dunk your mop in between each section. To get off stuck on food, put some pressure on the edge of your mop and gently scrub. Remember to keep an eye on your mop water. If it's filthy, make a new batch. Once you're done mopping, vacuum again. Nobody wants to vacuum twice, but this picks up any dust, hairs, or crumbs that get stuck to the floor when you mop. This method is safe for all floor types. We use it in every single home we clean.